Hello, Mark Sturdy here with another brief extract from our weekly research from 7 Days Ahead. And this time I'd like to look at the stocks. Unusually this week, we are interested in particular with the Euro Stoxx 50 and the FTSE 100. We have been long bulls of FTSE 500, of the S&P 500 and the Nikkei, but this particular week we're interested in what's going on here. And I'd like to contrast. These have recent months been the more weakest of the markets that we survey, and yet we're rather excited by what we're seeing this week. Let me just go through the Euro Stoxx 50 and explain why. Basically, it's because of the repeated failure of this allegedly weak market, unable to get above prior highs, to break back down beneath 42.60. Once, twice, three times, four times, five times, it's penetrated or tested the prior high support, and it's bounced. So notwithstanding the uncertainties surrounding the fact that it's not able to get above 43.92, I find great underlying resilience. And so in that sense, rather than a breakout to the upside, I'm looking for the resilience of the market that doesn't want to go down. It's sitting on 42.8. This is a band of support from two prior highs here in the weekly September 23 futures chart, unable to really penetrate and keeps bouncing. I'm impressed by that. In the detail, we have the repeated failure to sustain any sort of pricing action beneath 4,300. Look at the FTSE as well. We're bullish of the FTSEs too, in the sense that it hasn't broken up. No, there's no breakout, but that is showing enormous resilience to going down. This was the makings of a double failure at 79.79. Failed once, twice, would surely suggest a test on the downside. It was unable to get down through the low of 73.02, not once but twice. And the recent bounce in the last few weeks, the last month or so, suggests to me the completion of a double bottom. Here we have it, the trade above 77, the figure in the weekly September 23 chart and the day chart. You can even see the beginning of this week, it's broken above 7,700. There is the double bottom. So we need to see a confirmed close here, and ideally a close on the week above 7,700. However, there's sufficient here already to be quite bullish of a completed reversal pattern here. Absolute resilience at these lows, failure to go down. In that sense, we're bullish of these, the Euro Stoxx 50 and the FTSE, in the way we're not quite of the S&P 500. Historically, we have been bullish of this, but there's a lack of clarity in the turnaround of this market. We'd like to see it trade above 45, 47 before we got excited of the S&P 500 and the Nikkei. Similarly, we are long-term bullish of the Nikkei 500. No question, we have been for months. It's traded sideways, but we need a break above 33,710 before that is convincing on the upside. Thanks very much.